All right, August 19th, 2022, we have this aircraft flipped over in Florida. Both people on board did survive. Luckily, it was this Piper PA-28, November 587 Foxtrot Lima was the tail number. And you can see it here because it was at this boat ramp. There's a lot of people around. Coast Guard was on scene. Some boats, Good Samaritans, pulled these two people out of the water. And then also fire was on scene. As you can see here, they had to get the aircraft off out of the water. At some point, the wingtail section fell off. But everything other than that worked out well. I believe probably this nose gear caught the water, which caused them to flip. And my question is, I want to look at high wing versus low wing, because if you go in a high wing and you flip, at least your cockpit is out of the water. Maybe you have more time to get out of the aircraft. Versus a low wing, your cockpit is underwater. But again, the two people did survive this, so they had enough time. I'm sure there is procedures like keeping your door open and other things I've read in the comments of what to do if you are gonna ditch. But here it is. Here's that Marathon Quay Boat Ramp in Florida. And all in all, I mean, they had engine failure, but they did the right thing. So this is a high wing flip that I went over in previous videos. So if you want to watch it, you can catch it here. If not, this is Our World. I'm Keone. I'll see you guys next time.